Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid step by step for optimal results. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. It is crucial that your skin is damp, not dry, when you apply hyaluronic acid. This allows the ingredient to draw moisture from the environment into your skin, maximizing its hydrating power. You can gently pat your face with water or use a hydrating mist. Next, let's talk about the right amount. For most hyaluronic acid serums, 2 to 3 drops are usually sufficient for your entire face and neck. Less is often more with this powerful humectant. Gently press the serum into your skin using the palms of your hands. Avoid rubbing vigorously. A light patting motion helps with absorption without causing unnecessary friction. After applying your hyaluronic acid, the next vital step is to seal in that hydration. Immediately follow with your favorite moisturizer. This creates a protective barrier, preventing the hyaluronic acid from drawing moisture out of your skin, especially in dry environments. Think of it as creating a moisture sandwich, ensuring your skin stays plump and hydrated throughout the day. Hyaluronic acid is gentle and versatile, making it suitable for daily use both morning and evening. It pairs well with most other skincare ingredients, like vitamin C and retinoids. Consistent application helps maintain your skin's hydration levels, leading to a smoother, plumper, and more radiant complexion. Remember, a little goes a long way for lasting benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.